Hey, what's up guys, Trevor P. I'm just going to be talking to you guys about drifting in Sonic Robo Blast 2 Kart. Alright guys, so basically what drifting is you're basically gonna go around a corner tighter. That's basically what it does. So let's say I try to turn right here. Let's just turn normally. Okay. But now let's turn and drift. It's a lot quicker. So that's basically what drifting does. It just allows you to go around a turn, like a slightly pretty sharp turn, just a lot quicker, you know. And there's 3 types of boosts that you get from drifting. Okay, so there's a blue one. There's a blue boost, a red boost, and a rainbow boost. And the blue boost lasts for, I think, 0.5 seconds. The orange boost lasts for about 1 second. And the rainbow boost is 2 seconds. And these boosts are going to help you a lot because they allow you to go a lot faster and keep your momentum when you're driving. So you definitely want to be using them because you'll be going a lot slower if you don't. And also another tip that I need to mention is brake drifting. And basically what brake drifting is while you're drifting, you can press brake on your controller or keyboard or whatever, and you will slow down. And you'll want to use these when you're going really fast at a corner, so you can still go around it sharp, you know? That's basically the purpose of brake drifting. So like if you're going too fast on a corner, then you can just brake drift and you can go around it tighter. Instead of like going super fast and doing a super wide turn, because that's gonna slow you down a lot more in the end. Like a lot of people are gonna pass you if you do that. So you wanna be sure to brake drift if you're going too fast on the corner, you know what I'm saying? The hardest thing that you got to do is learning how to use it for your character, because there's lots of different stats. I went over them. Well, I mean, there's not a lot of different stats. There's just different play styles, like depending on them. And I already went over that in my last video. If you haven't checked it out, it's about stats. And it's basically gonna change how you play the game. So let's say if you're playing a max speed character, you're gonna want to drift as little as possible. Like you only really want to drift when necessary or when you won't lose speed. That's basically when, because you want to keep your max speed, because that is the character's strength, is max speed. So you want to basically keep that top speed the whole time. And if you're gonna drift just to drift and not because there's like a super tight turn, then it's unnecessary. So you actually don't want to drift in that circumstance. And let's say you're playing an acceleration character, you want to be drifting a lot more around the corners. So you want to like hold your drifts to like the orange at least on basically all the turns that you can, because you're not going to have as high of max speed as a max speed character, you know? So you want to be drifting a lot more. And one thing I did not mention on my other video was that heavier characters actually, when you're drifting, heavier characters gain drift easier. They actually gain it easier than other characters. So like if Tails and Dr. Eggman are both drifting on the same turn, Eggman's is gonna charge a lot quicker than Tails is, because he has more weight. So if you have more weight, then you're gonna be able to charge a turn a lot or a boost a lot quicker. So that is something that comes with being a heavy character, is that you charge a lot quicker. So you want to be thinking about that when you're picking a character. Like, do you want to be able to charge boost a lot quicker but have max speed or acceleration, whatever you want? Just choose, you know. That's the important thing, is how you want to know how all the characters work, you know.